Even before the drought, many children in central Somalia were out of school due to conflict and insecurity. Now the authorities in the region say over 50 schools have been forced to close due to the severe drought in the area. Hundreds of children and their teachers are currently living in camps for the internally displaced.
We did a survey in the region on the impact of the drought, and we have sadly documented some schools that were closed 4 and 5 months ago due to the famine. The parents, their children, together with school teachers who are pastoralists living in the villages, were displaced to bigger cities due to unbearable conditions.
The United Nations agency responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children says it is closely working with Somali authorities to help displaced students.
We've been trying to work with ministries of education at federal level and at state level, and also with great partners to try and get children in school and keep them in school. But of course, when a drought happens, the first thing often to go is education. And so those children are taken out of school, especially the few girls that may be in school are now taken so that they can go and do the water, get the water. So they go to the well, or they go to where the truck's arriving, or the borehole.
Despite the challenges, UNICEF Somalia says it is doing all it can to bring displaced children back to school.
We don't have a great system where we can put them into the local schools or really do emergency education. So we're looking at that. Of course, we need money to do that, with delivery of school kits, with delivery of recreation kits for the children to play with, all of those things. So we are very worried because in some areas there's a very poor education numbers attending school anyway, and it gets worse in a drought.
Apart from the climate-related shocks such as recurrent drought and flooding, other challenges including conflict and weak governance are key challenges facing education sector here in Somalia.